how to get YouTube on any smart TV. Now, if your smart TV doesn't come with a pre-built YouTube app, as you can see that it does for me, then it should have an internet browser. So here, from your apps on your smart TV, you want to find your internet browser. So it's going to be here for me. It says internet browser, and you just want to select that. Now from here, what we're going to do is either search for YouTube from the websites here that open up on your browser, or scroll up and just simply type YouTube. So I'm gonna do that right here. I'm sorry for the slow typing. YouTube. And once you type YouTube like that, then you will press enter. And once you click on enter, I just use the remote to type it, by the way, you will see YouTube here at the very top. So you just wanna go and select it. Once it is highlighted, you will just click on it, and it should ask you or it should log you into YouTube, and here you can just press on remind me later and you will have YouTube on your smart TV. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.